Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the notification sound on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. So let's find the settings app, there we go. Now we want to go to sound and vibration. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we will find default notification sound. We can tap over here and then we will find some of the default sounds. The hello one is the default one, so if we tap on it, we should be able to listen to it. And of course we can hear some others. Choose the one that you like the most, or you can add your own sound by tapping add notification, and then you should be able to open this app over here where you can choose your own music file. Of course you need to have that music file saved on your smartphone in order to choose it in an MP3, let's say, and then you can choose it over here. And that's pretty much it. After you are done with the changes, you can tap OK and it should be changed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!